Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am back with a new video on Python mini projects. In this video, I will show you how to do image processing using Python. In this project, I will use Flow library for image processing. We can use OpenCV and many other library. So first of all, I will install Flow library using pip install flow command. I have already installed this library. Create a new file. Now first of all I will import image library from pil import image. Here I is capital in image. Now I will create img object for my image. Then I will write image dot open method. I will use open method to open the image, which is car.jpg stored at desktop. So write down the path of the image. Now image dot show. This show method is used to show the image. Now you can see this image. Now I will find the size of this image using size method. Let's do it in our terminal because I am getting an error. So write down from now image dot size. So you can see the size of the image in pixels. Now I will find the format of the image using format. So this image is in the JPEG format. Now I want to change the format of this image using save method. Save and pass car.png. Now I will change this JPG format into a PNG using save. Now you can see the card.png is created. Now if you want to change the size of your image, then use image dot thumbnail. We can change image size using thumbnail method. Now the pass the tuple with size, pixel size. If I want to change image dot show. Now you can see the size is reduced to 300 by 400. Now if you want to rotate this image, then we will use rotate method. Now pass the angle, then show. Now you can see this image is rotated by 45-degree angle. Want to change the grayscale, then create a grayscale image object and again open this image and we will use convert method and pass capital L. Basically, L is for luminous. Now show this image. You can see the colored image is changed. If you enjoy this video, then please do like, share and comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys.